Course 6612, Advanced Computer Information Systems. If you are looking at Advanced Computer Information Systems, then you have already taken CIS, the Level 1 opportunity. In Advanced Computer Information Systems, you will enhance computer information technology skills through the use of advanced integrated applications to create documents, publications, and websites, including complex graphs, customized reports, and multimedia presentations. In addition to implementing programming and executing network activities, students will also practice the maintenance, management, and troubleshooting of systems. We will also explore legal and ethical issues. One of the goals is to complete certifications in Microsoft Office Specialist for Excel, PowerPoint, and if you didn't previously earn the Microsoft Word exam, you would do that here as well. We will also work to develop and enhance employability skills. If you will be working during the school year or are interested in doing so, you can consider joining cooperative education, which would give you an additional elective credit for the cooperative education program. If interested in the cooperative education program, please contact us for additional information. Advanced Computer Information Systems would allow you to join FBLA, the Future Business Leaders of America Club, and participate in that program. Let's work together to help you develop the skills and earn the certifications to make you a more competitive candidate for employment.